Right now may be actually the best time to factory order a Ford, especially while employee pricing is in effect. Most people don't know we can lock in your employee price on a factory order. A lot of people also don't realize that ordering a Ford is often easier than buying one off the lot. And honestly, a lot more fun too. Instead of settling for what's available, you get to build the exact vehicle you want, your color, your trim level, packages, engine, wheels, technology, and features. Whether it's a Bronco, an F-150, Super Duty, Explorer, Expedition, or Transit, you get to make it yours from the very beginning. Once we submit the order, Ford builds it specifically for you. One of the biggest advantages is that you don't have to compromise on the things that matter most to you. There's something exciting about tracking your vehicle through the build process and knowing that when it arrives, it's exactly the way you designed it. From Queens to Quogue and beyond, I'm Bill, the Long Island Ford guy at OTIS Ford. I'd be happy to help you build your perfect Ford. Text Bill. Let's get your order in now.